today is the day where we finally put those layouts that I made for my teacher planner in my teacher planner. Now here's what I did off camera. One, I punched everything because, I mean, we all know how to punch. Then this guy was my teacher planner from last year, and what I did is I went through and I took out all of the innards. So all I have left is I have a few like note pages, but it's literally just the divider. And of course, because that's just how their dividers work. It's just the divider and nothing else. So here we go. Let's see, can I do this whole thing? I think I can. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's like we were meant to be together. We were meant to be. I love it. I haven't decided if I'm actually covering this part up yet because I do like having that little decoration there. Maybe I'll just cover up like anything that's just regular. It's so pretty. And then it printed out so nice. I'll try and zoom out a little bit. Sometimes filming in a big happy planner is tricky. Here's my monthly goals. And this is exactly how I wanted it. Monday, straight across. So this is like the beginning of the day, the end of the day. This came out so cute. Because like you look at what you see on the screen and you just never know. You just never know. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. This came out great. So that's 1 week in my teacher planner, and then I put an extra, and then I'll print out the next week next time. So let's go ahead and do some writing and decorating. I'm actually gonna, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and put down first teacher day. First student day. And this is open house here. And I believe the one that I'm doing I'm a music teacher, for those of you who might be, it's 5 to 6. So it's, hang on, we'll just put it right here. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I'm a music teacher, so I have 2 different buildings that I teach at. So the one that I'm at on Tuesday, their open house is from that time to that time. And then I don't think I have anything at the moment. Usually we have a couple of those insurance things. We have a couple like people who come by to do HSAs and we have to meet with them. So I'm trying to decide which sticker book I want to use. Because I have this guy, which is a lot of different teacher stickers. Really not summer break, although this might be a fun one just to have as a fun. I know it's summery, but it's technically still summer. Popsicles, always a good choice. You can mix that in. Just looking to see if there's anything in particular that is catching my eye from this one. Because the fall is a little too fall, like we're not really at that point yet. And then Christmas, so yeah, let's do that. Use up the sticker. Oh, I remember why this one's a little bit trickier. Because I still have it's technically still attached. Hang on, let's do one of these. And take that page out. One of the little ants. As if we're like having a back to school picnic. We don't have a back to school picnic, but if we did, this would be a cute spread for it, so. I don't know, I just like this little cookout vibe. Maybe not your typical back to school spread, but it's still summer. And as a music teacher, I mean, you've got the ants, and we can always say it's the ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. I won't sing anymore. Let go of the ant. I just think that's really cute. Probably leave the other ones. And then I want some sort of quote to go there. Maybe not hello today. Let's see what other quotes we got. Or if I can find any. Because I've used a lot of these stickers, so it might be questionable on if we can find things. Oh, I like this one. Brand spanking new day. And I think I want to add these sunglasses there. I don't know, I just want all the positive fun things. Who doesn't like positive fun things? I think that's good. All right, so that is my August monthly. Let's go into the dailies. Why don't we? Why don't we? Oh, I forgot I have the monthly goals page. Maybe we make this all monthly and then we do the dailies as a separate video. I think so. Here, we'll keep this going. So we got a few extra of these guys. Monthly goals. Pineapple there. So with August, a lot of these goals are going to be the same. First of all, we're going to put not available for, although, hang on, wipe that out. While the choir itself will not have a goal, I do have a goal of getting their schedule done. So I have to do the prep work for them. So permission slips ready and repertoire. Kindergarten, our goal is really 1 procedures. Kindergarten is always a little bit different because it's the first time I see them. Like, I'll know a lot about my first graders and on up, kind of what they need. But some kindergarten classes they need more of the movement stuff, especially at the beginning. Some, they're very happy to sit and sing. This is always kind of an experimental month of, okay, what do these kids need to get through the lesson? Okay, so procedures, transitions, and instruments, because we all know, actually, instrument, respect. We all know that's what a lot of kiddos are excited to see. Can we play the drums? Can we touch this instrument? Can we play the shakers? I had a sneeze attack, I'm sorry. First grade, we are jumping right in, and our goals for this month are to move, and I'm going to put exactly which Lobbin themes. Like, I have to look that up, but Lobbin themes and which ones. And sing. Get back into the swing of things there. Second grade, we are folk dancing. So we're working on vocab. Now, all of these groups are working on procedures, especially the first time I see them. But the ones who've been with me forever, we get to move a little bit faster through that, which is nice. Now, the reason why both second and third kind of have similar or the same goals right now. Rhythm review. View. Oh, I should put that as their number 3 goal. Unit 1. Is because both groups in the previous year actually started getting into some folk dancing. This group in second grade moved pretty far along, so now they're very ready for vocab. I want to start introducing bits and pieces of vocabulary for second grade. Fourth grade, so this is my group. When they go from third grade to fourth grade, they switch buildings. So this one, procedures, is a big deal. Review games, bucket drums, woot woot. And then this one, fifth grade, even though they should know, it's only their second year at the building. Procedures, review games, and then rhythm / melody recorders. That's my monthly goals there. Now, this is where I'm going to get quiet for a moment. I'm going to I thought about this. I was like, no, I should go ahead and do the weeklies. Or the dailies, because that is my week. So here we go. We're going to blast through this. I'm going to fast forward it, put some nice, wonderful music for you all as I go ahead and decorate. Here we go. well, my friends, I believe that's going to be it for this plan with me. I want to keep it simple, especially this first week as I'm getting used to my own inserts. But man, I'm so happy with how this turned out. What I used is I used washi. This is Happy Planner old Happy Planner washi, and the other washi is from Simply Gilded. I don't think it's available anymore, but what I'll do is I'll put a link to Simply Gilded anyway because they have great washi. And then also I used farmhouse stickers from the old Happy Planner farmhouse sticker book. So I'll also just do a blanket link to Happy Planner as well, although I'm sure you know how to get there. I think this is super cute, especially for those first couple days. So if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one.